Hi, I'm Gavin. In this video, I will show you how to solve this AMC10 algebra and geometry problem. Find the number of solutions to the system of equations x squared plus 3y equals 9 and the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y minus 4 squared equals 1. You can think about this problem by pausing the video. This problem asks us to find the number of solutions to this system. So we don't need to find the exact values of x and y that satisfy both of these equations. And from here, we can approach this problem in two ways. Algebraically, where we solve for one variable and plug it into an equation to find the other variable, or we can solve it geometrically, where we graph both of these equations and find the number of intersections. In this case, solving this algebraically is very hard because there could be multiple solutions and it will be very challenging to find all of them. So we use the geometric method to solve this problem. First, let's identify some special points on the first equation, x squared plus 3y equals 9. We can first take x equals 0 to find 3y equals 9, and then y would equal 3. And this would be the y-intercept of x squared plus 3y equals 9. And now we can find the two x-intercepts of the first equation. We take y equals 0, and this gives us x squared equals 9. And because it's squared, we have two solutions. One is x equals 3, or it could be x equals negative 3. And from here, we can graph the first equation. We draw a coordinate plane and mark the points 3, negative 3, and 3. Notice that because of the x squared term, we can easily tell this is a quadratic that's pointing down. So we can draw a shape roughly the shape of a quadratic. And then we are done with graphing the first equation. And now let's graph the second. Because we have the whole expression squared, just like we did with x squared equals 9, we need to consider two separate cases. The first is where the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y minus 4 equals 1, or we can have the same expression equaling negative 1. And then we can simplify both of these cases to give us the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y equals 5, or it can also equal 3. And now we can graph both of these equations separately. First, we can plug in certain values of x and y, such as x equals 5, y equals 0, and that gives us a diamond shape with its vertices at 0, 5, negative 5, 0, 0, negative 5, and 5, 0. And then we can connect these vertices to finish our graph for this equation right here. Okay, next we can move on to the second equation, and this is the same as the first, except the 5 is now a 3. And just like with the first equation here, it has its vertices here. And then we can connect these vertices to form a second diamond shape. And now with both equations finished and drawn, we can now count the number of intersections of both of these equations, which is also the number of solutions. We have a total of 5 solutions. So our answer is 5 to this problem. If you think this video has taught you how to find certain points on one of these equations and how to graph both of these equations here, then you can like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you for watching.